Good morning, everybody. It's Jonathan Rodriguez, the junior angler. Again, back with Ryan, obviously. Today is day 2 of going on to the Delta. You guys saw last video. We didn't really stick them as hard. That was because we only had like 2-3 hours. We were just testing waters. We got the boat ready, getting her charged up just a little bit. Someone forgot to put the batteries to charge. Yeah. We're gonna get to the launch ramp and get this boat launched. Try to get out there for you guys, so let's go. So tell me.
I said we are in the heart of the Delta back here. We're gonna catch some fish today.
You know, that wasn't as cold as last time.
Yeah.
Dude, last time we came out to Clear Lake with him, dude, that was a mess. There's no way I'm doing that ever again, dude. Well, as you said, this is the juice of the Delta. So, what do we got tied on? Just a little run through.
We got frogs, we got chatterbaits, crankbaits, senkos.
Frog, chatterbaits, senkos. Dude, the current's already pulling us. Probably get that trolling motor. Oh! You almost snapped your rod in half. Alright, let's get going. My first bait of choice is gonna be the chatterbait. Oh. Did I get bombed? Or is that a rock? Dude, literally my line's already over here. Oh, that was definitely a snag. No, I gotta get this thing. Oh! Giant!
Twist the shit out of the line. Sink right underneath that tree. Bite. I mean, when I was first buying them, when you buy a tractor for 30 grand nowadays, and then 2 years later it's only worth 24.
I got my bait.
Dude, he came
Oh my gosh. Find a freaking lead, dude.
Delta hog, guys. Oh my god. It's a giant. At least like 6 pounds.
Dude, they're like fat.
That's what I was saying
They're really
earlier.
stocky.
Even these little rats, yeah, they got a gut on them. Let's go ahead and get them back. Alright.
Senko?
On the board. On a Senko.
Senko-ish.
Yep.
Oh!
Oh, I saw that, dude. I saw that. You weren't paying attention for half a second.
Saw it?
Saw your rod load up.
Yep.
We are bit, guys. Finally.
Oh. Nice, dude.
Actually, that's a good fish.
Number dos. No.
Still on the Senko, just freaking dragging through the grass as best we can. You know, no other better way to do it. Get
I gotta get you on a GoPro, bro.
Yeah.
Oh man. Yeah, I know. I mean, honestly, at this point, honestly, it's just a game of just keep casting. Obviously, I got a couple bites over there, back where we were, so they're out here.
About as fast as this boat will ever go.
That was what, like 60?
62, maybe 63.
Jeez, bro, that was fast. All right, little update. It's already 11 o'clock, and clearly we haven't gotten on a consistent bite. The delta's just like that, you know. You can either be on them or you just not. So right now we're back at the spot where we caught a couple little ones yesterday, and we're gonna call it a day here. So let's see what happens out here, and we're gonna make a decision whether we're gonna go to another lake or go straight to Clear Lake. So let's see what happens.
Bass boats, out here will fly by and they nose it. We'll have to wait and see what this one is.
Oh my god, bro.
Is the bait out?
Yeah. Slowly get out. All right, time to go. We're wrapping it up here at the Delta. Ryan, you got any words to say about today?
Oh, I mean, we're still gonna catch something, but we caught a couple here. It was all right.
Yeah.
Nothing big.
Let's go ahead and get out of here and load up the boat and head to another place. Catch you guys when we get there. Oh. Alrighty, we are at the new lake. Let's just say it looks damn fishy, right? The dock's right there, and there is bluegills everywhere, little bass everywhere. They're already chasing our drop shots and stuff. Ryan's never been to this lake either. It looks way more fishy than the Delta. It sucks, but we're excited. Clear water. Let's do this. Let's go. All right. So we're out here now. Let's just say this looks super promising. Got a spinnerbait tied on. See what we can do. Super clear water, like super clear water. No way. Oh my god.
Good one, dude. Oh my god. That's a good fish. Oh my god.
Did you GoPro on?
Yeah, it's on. That might be a 4. I don't know.
Okay, I'm gonna just... Oh my god, bro. Ryan!
Oh, yeah! What are you talking about?
The fish.
That is it, bro.
Well, guys. Whew. This is... Dude, we've been trying so hard today, honestly.
Hell yeah.
Look at that.
Pretty close to 3, I'd say.
yeah,
Probably
Ryan.
a little over 3. It's a good one. It's a very good one. Wow.
I'm on.
You got it.
Yay! Yeah! I got it! Ah, I got it! Yes! The giant! The giant! Look at that, guys! I got myself my first northern bass. Let's go! Goodbye.
You got him.
I got a bluegill. Look at him. Look at him. Watch. It's a bluegill. Oh no, it's a bass. Look at this little bugger. So sick. Little guy. Bye-bye. Oh my god. Immediately. Wow. Immediately. Dude, that's a bluegill for sure. Oh my god.
Right on his back, dude.
Yeah. Is that it?
No.
No. Oh shoot.
Oh. Oh, that's the crappie. That has to be the crappie.
Dude, that's a larger bluegill. Oh my god, dude. Ryan, oh my, that's my PB bluegill. That's my PB bluegill. Look at that. Oh my, dude, this is a massive bluegill, dude. Oh my god. For the release. Dude, look at him. Look at him in the water, bro.
largemouth.
Largy.
That's a good one, dude.
Oh, there's a big one trying to get it. Another bales. Look at that. So, mwah. Yeah. Guys, I was putting the drone up.
Yes, sir.
You guys just saw that on the drone. Oh.
He's spazzing out. I'm gonna put this guy back and I'm gonna get his sister. His big sister.
Pumpkin seed.
What is that?
What are they?
I don't see nothing.
Me neither, bro.
Dude!
A bass?
Yeah, a bass.
No way.
Big one. Top water, you drop shot, dude. Top water. Just super fast.
Oh my god. That was top water, bro. They're eating top water.
Wow.
Oh no, bass. No bass. No bass. Wow. That's crazy. Why did the people leave? Do they not care about these fish? Oh my.
Fast, fast, fast. Go, 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 go. They won't eat it unless it's super fast. They'll chase it down, just like that. Yeah, oh, you got him. You got him. Yeah.
No way.
Dude. That's awesome. That is awesome.
So we didn't come prepared. We found out just a fluke. A dirty fluke he just had on his boat. Look at that. There's tons of them. Let me show you guys. There's so much fish, dude. That's a good fish. That's a good fish. Oh, let's go! Show him it, bro. Show him it. Look at that.
Dude, let's go. Another solid fish.
What is that, like a 2?
At least a 2, but
Girthy girl, dude.
hey, I'll take anything right now, dude. This is awesome. Oh, you got him. Oh no, I saw it disappear.
Me too. Oh.
That's a good one.
No way.
That's a good one. That was a really good fish.
Dude, that was like 3.
Get him up.
Oh my god.
Get him up. Get him up. Let's go, dude.
Yes. Yes. Look at that. There she is. Nice chunky bass on top water. We literally seen him bite. Here you go, guys. This is a good one right here. Oh, there he goes. Oh, got him.
No way, dude.
Got him.
Is that a good one?
No, but I saw him though.
No, better than the little rat.
Oh my gosh. Another one. Let's go. Whoop. Alrighty. That's it for day 2.
Yeah, that was a freaking mess, but that was fun.
Definitely worth it. Definitely worth it. So we're going to be coming out here again tomorrow. So you'll see that in day 3 video.
Yep.
And I think we're predicting an even better turnout because
We're going to be out there early.
out there early, these fish are going to be going nuts. We'll finish this for today. And I'll get back to you guys next week on the new video. Thank you guys for watching. Taking the time out of your day to watch this video. Jonathan, Junior Angler, signing out.
See ya.